Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power off the Honor Pad X9 and remove any cases, SIM or micro SD. Once done, lay the tablet on a soft, static-free mat and photograph the back and edges. Use a small Phillips and plastic spudger to pry the back cover, slow, steady pressure. Do not force. You need clear access to the keyboard connector area. Make sure to keep screws organized in a tray so you can reverse the process precisely. You now focus on the keyboard ribbon and its ZIF connector. First, unlock the tiny latch. Lift it straight up, do not bend. Carefully slide the ribbon free to inspect for kinks or corrosion. If you see grime, dab contacts with a lint-free swab and 90% plus isopropyl alcohol, then let dry. Once clean, align the ribbon precisely and push it fully into the connector. Then close the latch. You should test the keyboard function at this stage before screwing anything back. You finish by reassembling. Replace screws finger tight and press the back cover until clips engage. Power on and test every key. If some remain unresponsive, install any firmware or keyboard driver updates. These fixes resolve logical faults. If physical issues persist, the only way is replacing the keyboard assembly. One key troubleshooting tip. If intermittent keys return after gentle pressure, the ribbon seating is likely marginal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.